What does that business center do? We know that San Pedro and the harbor area has been a place that its economy has depended upon the ocean and will always depend upon the ocean. And we know that with fishing and dock work that we have sustained generations and created a great middle-class economy that folks could count on. Well, the world has changed a bit, and fishing is not what it used to be. And sort of the shipping industry might also change. And so what does work look like in the future? In a place like Altasea, besides trying to preserve the earth and save the ocean, we are also looking at the future of work. And we think that with aquaculture and with blue robotics and with new energy sources in the ocean, we're also creating career paths for our children. Because we all want to live in a place where if our kids, and if our kids' kids, want to be in proximity to us, that they will have a future, that they'll have jobs, and they'll have a way to raise their own families. And so Altasea is just participating, what we should all be participating in, is looking at the future of work and what is going to sustain this economy. No, this is fantastic. We have signed an agreement with something called the Southern California Marine Institute. You'll hear it referred to as SCMI. SCMI is a consortium of 23 universities and campuses. It is USC, UCLA, Occidental, State College System, and the junior college system, the community college system. And it is everyone who is in Southern California who has a marine biology component. They are currently operating together on Terminal Island in a smaller facility, and they are looking to move to the Altasea site and go from about 6,000 square feet of building into this new 60,000 square foot building so that they can collaborate together. So the strength of the SCMI model is that it is not just one university, although one university would be fantastic. It is this collaboration of universities so that these researchers can collaborate with one another, have a shared research system, and then also transfer some of their technology into our business center. And so we are really magnifying the power of the university system by 23 by bringing in SCMI.